Welcome to the Tool Insider. Lasers are taking over the workshop. This new generation of laser power tools makes DIY faster, easier, and more accurate than ever. Here are 7 that change everything. All right, listen up. You're hanging shelves, tiling a backsplash, or running chair rail around a whole room. Eyeballing it just won't cut it. That's where a cross-line laser level like the DeWALT DW088CG or Bosch GLL3 330CG steps in. 3 crisp green 360-degree beams shoot out, 1 vertical, 2 horizontal, so you get instant dead-level lines on every wall at once. No more bubble wobbles, no more crawling back to fix crooked edges. It's self-leveling, which means you slap it on a tripod or stick it to a magnet, and within seconds it locks in perfect alignment, even if your surface isn't. This thing is a time machine. What used to take 2 people and a prayer now takes 1 person and 5 minutes. Want to maximize it? Kill the ambient light, shoot the beam across the room, and snap a line with a pencil every couple of feet. That's your permanent guide, so every tile, every board, every outlet box lands exactly where it should. Worth owning because it turns guesswork into precision every single time. You ever stand there with a tape measure, one end slipping off the wall, the other sagging to the floor, squinting at the tiny numbers like it's some kind of puzzle? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the upgrade, a laser distance measure. Hit 1 button, bam! Perfect measurement in a blink. No kinks, no guesswork, just instant accuracy. We're talking 400 feet of range, so whether you're checking ceiling height or plotting out a deck, it's got you covered. The camera viewfinder lets you see exactly where that laser's hitting, even in bright sunlight. And Bluetooth? Sync those numbers straight to your phone so you never lose a measurement again. Bosch and Leica make the ones you can trust. Precision built right in. No more crawling into crawl spaces or balancing on ladders just to get a number. This thing fits in your pocket and does the heavy lifting for you. Pro tip, use the continuous measure mode for quick layout work. Hold the button down and walk the length of a room. It updates in real time. Game changer. All right, listen up, because this is the tool that turns your workshop into a customization factory. The Diode Laser Engraver. Think of it like a magic wand that burns your name, your designs, or even your dog's face into wood, leather, acrylic, and more. We're talking fine detail, deep cuts, and zero mess compared to traditional methods. The xTool D1 Pro and Rotary Laser Master series are leading the charge here, packing 20 W of diode power into a compact frame that sits right on your desk. Wi-Fi control means you can send designs straight from your phone while you're grabbing another coffee. This isn't just for hobbyists. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to add serious value to their projects. Personalize gifts, start a side hustle, or just make your gear look like it came from a pro shop. The key to getting the most out of it? Start with low-power test burns on scrap material, dial in your settings, and let the laser do the work. No pressure, no mistakes, just crisp, clean results every time. Worth owning? Absolutely. If you've ever wanted to put your stamp on literally anything, this is how you do it. All right, listen up. You ever tried hanging a gallery wall or squaring up a deck frame by eye? Yeah, we've all got battle scars from that. Enter the Rotary Laser Level, your new job site overlord. This thing shoots a 360-degree beam up to 2,000 feet. So whether you're laying tile in the bathroom or grading a backyard patio, it's got you covered. Brands like DeWALT and Topcon build these beasts to self-level in seconds, meaning no more shimming, no more guessing, just dead-on accuracy every time. Forget string lines and bubble levels. This is layout on steroids. Pop it on a tripod, hit the power, and watch that red or green beam paint perfect lines across walls, floors, even entire yards. Want to run consistent height marks for chair rail? Done. Need to slope a French drain? Just dial in the grade and follow the beam. Here's the kicker. Set it once, trust it forever. Just keep the battery charged and the lens clean. Then go build something that actually looks like you planned it. All right, listen up, because this is the saw that turns your cuts from guesswork to dead on every single time. You're looking at a laser-guided miter saw, and let me tell you, once you go laser, you never go back. Picture this. You line up your board, flip the switch, and boom. A bright, crisp laser line or an XPS shadow shows you exactly where the blade's going to kiss that wood. No more squinting, no more mistakes, just clean, precise cuts every time. DeWALT and Bosch are the kings here, and they've packed these saws with game-changing tech. Dual bevel means you can tilt left or right without flipping your workpiece, saving you time and frustration. Whether you're framing a picture, building baseboards, or crafting custom furniture, this saw keeps your angles perfect and your cuts smooth. Here's the pro move. Calibrate that laser or shadow line before every big project. A quick check ensures your cuts stay razor sharp. And trust me, your future self will thank you. This isn't just a saw. It's your secret weapon for flawless DIY, worth every penny because wasted wood is wasted money. All right, listen up, because this little powerhouse is about to change the way you hang anything in your home. Meet the Compact Line Laser, your new best friend for getting things straight, level, and perfectly aligned every single time. No more eyeballing it, no more crooked shelves, and absolutely no excuses for that wobbly picture frame. These things project crisp, bright cross-line beams, horizontal and vertical, so you can see exactly where your screws, nails, or anchors need to go. And we're talking pocket-sized here, meaning it fits in your tool belt, your glove box, or even your back pocket. Clip it to a tripod, stick it on a ladder, or magnet mount it to metal studs. Hands-free action that lets you work smarter, not harder. Bosch & Klein? Yeah, they've got the goods. Durable, reliable, and priced so you don't have to break the bank to get pro-level precision. Whether you're mounting cabinets, laying tile, or just trying to get your gallery wall to look like it belongs in a magazine, this laser does the heavy lifting for you. Here's the pro tip. Use it in low light for maximum visibility. That beam pops like a neon sign, so dim the room or wait until dusk and watch your accuracy go through the roof. Worth every penny, because nothing beats the satisfaction of a job done right the first time. You ever stretch a tape measure across 10 feet of studs, squint at those tiny black lines, and somehow still cut your trim a half-inch short? Yeah, we've all been there. Enter the digital laser tape, your new measuring sidekick. Brands like Reekon and Bosch slap a laser, a camera, and a brain onto what looks like a fat pen. Aim, click, and boom. Your exact measurement pops onto the screen in big, bold numbers, accurate to within a lousy 32nd of an inch. No more wrestling with hooks that stick or blades that flop. No more guessing fractions. Hang drywall, lay tile, build cabinets. Every cut is dead on the first time. Mount it to your miter saw, and the laser locks onto your material so you can measure and cut without ever letting go of the workpiece. Pro tip, calibrate it once a week by measuring a known distance, just to keep it honest. Worth every penny because wasted lumber and redos cost way more than the tool. That's the future of DIY, a new generation of laser power tools. Which one blew your mind? Tell me below and subscribe to the Tool Insider.